Well, good evening. My name is Ngiam Tong Yuan. I come from an organization called RSVP. This is to service. We are with Dr. Chin. But I want to address the issue of Singapore becoming an age-friendly city. I know that, the government has already done quite a bit about it. Unfortunately, I think the government has only solved the physical problem of housing and so on. But if you talk to people within doing that kind of work, you'll discover that just providing the physical facilities is only like 20% of the whole problem. And we still got 80%, which I think is under-addressed at the moment. So I would ask that consideration be given to make Singapore a much more age-friendly city, and that way make our society all-inclusive or more inclusive, because otherwise I think older people tend to become more and more isolated, and at the end of the day cost the society a lot more in dollars, in money, than if we had thought about it at the beginning and made that place, our home, a more friendly place for not only old people. I mean, of course, I'm speaking for the older people, being one of the older people, but I think if we made our country more friendly to all ages, then the total cost to society will be a lot less than if you ignore that problem, and so the older people get more sick, they require more clinical care, which in most cases is not necessary. They just want somebody to be nice to them. And their psychological wellness will be so much better. So I urge that more attention be paid to converting Singapore into a more age-friendly city. And I'm not asking for more financial aid. I'm just saying spend our dollars more wisely. And over investing in just physical facilities doesn't solve the problem. It gives you the illusion of solving the problem, but you don't solve the problem. Thank you.
Right, I think your points are taken. I just want to highlight that we do have a minister. I mean, it's as a reflection of how serious we take this issue, we have a minister in charge of affairs for the elderly in the Prime Minister's office, right? Yeah. So we do take this very seriously, and I take your points on this.